Hello, today we are going to talk heel turn math. Heel turn math. It is actually very easy, so don't be nervous. Let's just jump in and start talking heel turns and how to figure it out for yourself. Most of the time, a designer will already have this pre-written into their patterns, but sometimes we maybe add a few more stitches so that the sock pattern fits our foot better, or take away for the exact same reason. So I would like to tell you how to figure out what your heel turn should be if your stitches don't equal the same as the pre-figured out stitches of the pattern you're following. Or maybe you're going to start getting to sock designing yourself and you have never figured out this mystery of the heel turn. Okay, so it's really simple. You take the amount of stitches you have for the heel flap and you divide them in half. Then you add 2 stitches to that number. For example, say you have 40 stitches for your heel flap. You divide that in half, which is 20, and then you add 2 stitches to that, which would be 22. So I normally slip my first stitch when I start doing the heel turn. So I would slip 1 stitch and then purl 21 stitches. After you've done that, you would purl 2 stitches together and then purl 1 more, and then it's ready to turn so that you can now do the knit side. Okay, now we are on the knit side. There is a certain amount of stitches on this needle, which will be important in just a minute. It's the way I can tell I've done my math correctly. So on the knit side, we're going to slip 1, knit 5, then SSK and knit 1. And then we will count our stitches to see if we did our math correctly. I'll be back once I have done the knit side. We are in the final step of heel turn math. We have 3 sections, the right section, the middle section, and the left section of stitches. And all you have to do to make sure that you did your math correctly is count the section to the right and the section to the left, and their stitches should equal the exact same amount. From there, you just start knitting the classic heel turn. I hope this has been very helpful for you and that you have a lot of fun making heel turns and making socks. This is one of those random bits of information that when I finally figured it out made so much more sense to me and made me just more confident in my knitting. It's funny how those little details just add to our knitting life. I hope you guys have an awesome day and hope to see you in another video. Bye!